Hey Mom, hey Dad. So I have some exciting news. I decided on electrical engineering at Utah State and I want to show you what it's like here. This place is awesome. In lab today, we used lasers to see the world in a new light. Dad, we fly the biggest drones I have ever seen. I had no idea how much electrical engineering goes into making these things fly. Last week, I did something really cool. We went inside a chamber we use for testing radio signals. One of my professors can actually print an antenna on glass. It's amazing. Mom, there's a track here where we test electric cars and buses. And you remember my friend Ethan, right? He's here too. He and his professor are working on cars that charge wirelessly on an electric road. Isn't that crazy? There's a lot of opportunities here. The experiments we work on are really high-tech. Some actually fly in space. Classes are good too. They're challenging, but I'm learning a lot and the professors are really nice. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Just wanted to say hi and tell you that I love it here.